Today we are showing how to back up your website using cPanel. This is our website, so we are showing how to back up this one. So we go my cPanel. This is one process. There have a lot of process. We are showing the cPanel process. Going cPanel, then go the file manager, then public.html. Go and select all file. You see I am selecting all file in here. Then I am clicking right click, or there have the option right click. I am creating the zip file, compress. I am clicking the compress, then I am creating zip. So click file, compress this file, then some waiting. They need to just waiting. After finish, they are creating one zip file, and the name is showing. This name is showing. So need to time, just waiting. We are showing. Now there my zip is almost ready created. Then I close. This is the zip file. Now there are file approx 1 GB. Then we will click the zip. There have a download option. We are clicking the download. Then they are downloading in start. When the download is finished, I am rename this file for my necessary name. This is the policy to back up your website using the cPanel. This website we are giving the backup. So thank you. After finishing, we are not showing, just holding. There I have showing the two words based on internet speed. So thank you.